Alright, next let's learn how we can draw an image onto our canvas. First we need an image, so let's go and create a new directory called assets, and maybe in there we'll create a new folder called images, and in here let's go ahead and upload a file. Let's see, I have a ball.png file here. I'm terrible at pixel art, so please forgive me. Alright, so we have our ball. Now we need to load the image into HTML. So let's go in here and let's just say image source equals assets images ball.png. Alright, so we have our ball showing up on our page, but we want it in our canvas. So let's give it an ID of image ball. And let's also just hide it from the web page. So all images will be display none. Alright, so now that we have it here, even though you can't see it, we can grab it using this ID. So let's go into our index.js file. Let's see here, let's just put a spot here, images. We'll say let ball, I'll say image ball equals document.getElement by ID, and we'll pass it the ID we gave it here. So we have the image. Now whenever we want to draw it, we can just say ctx.drawImage, image ball, and the position. And there you go. Now maybe this size doesn't work for us. Maybe we want to bump it up to maybe 16 by 16. So let's specify that here. So we have the image, the position X, position Y, and the width and height of our ball. Now let's just simply refactor this into its own class. So let's create a new file here, ball.js. And in here we will export a default class of ball. We're going to need a constructor, and we're also going to need a draw function, and later we will also do an update function. That is to do later. Alright, so the constructor, we need to get the image. So we'll say this dot image equals, and then we can grab this document get element by ID. Pop that in there. We can get rid of this. And we can also grab this draw image and move it into our draw function. We need to pass it the context. And this will be this dot image. So when we create the ball class, it'll grab the image from the page, and every time we want to draw it, we'll draw it here. So inside index, we will import ball from source ball, and let's say let ball equal new ball. Then in our game loop, we need to draw the ball. And there it is. And now we have a new clean class that we can use to change the position of the ball as it moves around in our game.